One of the absolute coolest features on the new LPT is the long arm tarp system. This solves the problem of the terrible experience of tarping a load with your normal traditional pool style tarp systems with the old string and the bar. It's just terrible and almost impossible if you don't have two people, but not anymore. We have co-developed this long arm tarp system with Sureco tarps to make it easier than ever. It's just a simple turn of the handle of the crank. The arms raise the tarp up over your load all the way to the back. Then it's as easy as cranking it back over. That's it.